Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome to my 8th vlog. Before we start, let me just say hi to the new subscribers of our YouTube channel Plant Lovers Diary. Welcome and I hope you enjoy our videos. For those who are not subscribed yet, you may click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. For today's vlog, I will be showing you how to grow and plant a chayote, or sayote in Filipino. On my last vlog, I mentioned that I will be interviewing a chayote farmer to know how they plant chayotes in the farm. And according to them, the first thing you need to do is to pick a mature chayote. Similar to this one. As you can see, there's already a small sprout at the end of the chayote. There. This is how the matured chayote look like. And the second thing you need to do is to create trellis. In our case, we used bamboo poles and metal wires to serve as the climbing spot for the chayote vines. Now I'm clearing the area at the bottom of the bamboo pole where I will plant the chayote. Now after clearing the area, I will now put the chayote that I've shown earlier. You will notice that I did not dig up a hole on the ground to plant the chayote, because according to the chayote farmer that I've interviewed, it is not necessary to cover it with soil. It will still grow even if you just put it on top of the soil. The ideal climate or weather for the chayote plant to grow is in cold weather. That's why most of the chayote farms are located on places that is cold and not that warm. This is the bamboo pole that we use to create the trellis and the metal wires on top of it so that the chayote vines will climb up there. Now the next thing that I will do is to go to the chayote that I planted 5 days ago to see if there's any growth. Okay, so here's the chayote that I planted 5 days ago. There's already a vine popping out at the end of the chayote here, and it will start climbing on the bamboo pole up into the metal wires. According to the chayote farmer, do not overwater the chayote at this point. Just put a small amount of water and leave it like that. Chayotes generally do not need too much water, so be careful because it might die if you overwater it. We will now go to the chayote that we planted 5 months ago. So this is now the chayote that we planted 5 months ago. As you can see, there's a lot of vines starting from the bottom up into the bamboo pole and to the metal wires. We cannot see the original chayote plant that we placed there at the bottom of the bamboo pole. And these are the vines. Okay, and then that's the other chayote plant. So if you planted many chayote, it will look like this. The trellis will be covered with vines. These are the picture of the chayotes that we harvested last week. That's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something new about gardening. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you!